Welcome to E4 English.
She has lived in Texas _2019. 1. Since. 2. For. 3. From. 4. During. I didn't have _time to finish. 1. Enough. 2. 2. 3. Very. 4. Quite. Neither John nor his friends _coming. 1. Is. 2. Are. 3. Was. 4. Be. She asked me where I _born. 1 a.m. 2. Was. 3. Were. 4. Be. I'm interested _learning American English. 1 on. 2. In. 3. At. 4. 4. By next year, I graduated. 1. Will. 2. Will have. 3. Have. 4. Had. She speaks more confidently before. 1 then. 2 then. 3. From. 4. As. There isn't information available. 1. Many. 2. Much. 3. Few. 4. Several. He made me the truth. 1. Tell. 2. Tale. 3. Telling. 4. Told. The movie was than I expected. 1. More good. 2. Better. 3. Best. 4. Very good. She has never sushi before. 1. Eat. 2. Ate. 3. Eaten. 4. Eating. If I more money, I would travel. 1. Have. 2. Had. 3. Will have. 4. Am having. Each student responsible for homework. 1. Are. 2. Were. 3. Is. 4. Be. He apologized being late. 1. For. 2. 2. 3. At. 4. On. The news surprising. 1 see. 2 are. 2 seeing. 3 saw. Were. 3 4 seen. Is. 4 be. She drives underscore than her sister. 1. Careful. 2. More careful. 3. More carefully. 4. Carefulest. He stopped underscore when he saw the police. 1. Smoke. 2. To smoke. 3. Smoking. 4. Smoked. I have been waiting underscore 2 hours. 1. Since. 2. For. 3. From. 4. At. She insisted that he underscore on time. 1. Arrive. 2. Arrives. 3. Arrived. 4. Arriving. Not only the teacher but also the students underscore ready. 1. Is. 2. Was. 3. Are. 4. Be. This is the underscore book I have ever read. 1. Interesting. 2. More interesting. 3. Most interesting. 4. Very interesting. He works underscore to achieve success. 1. Hard. 2. Hardly. 3. Harder. 4. Hardest. I wish I underscore speak French fluently. 1. Can. 2. Could. 3. Will. 4. Aim. She had her hair underscore. 1. Cut. 2. Cutting. 3. Tocute. 4. Cuts. There are fewer people here underscore yesterday. 1. Then. 2. Then. 3. From. 4. As. He is one of the best players who underscore ever played here. 1. Has. 2. Have. 3. Had. 4. Having. She was tired, underscore she finished her work. 1. But. 2. Because. 3. Although. 4. If. I can't stand underscore in long lines. 1. Wait. 2. Waiting. 3. To wait. 4. Waited. The manager, along with his team, underscore attending the meeting. 1. Are. 2. Were. 3. Is. 4. Be.
Comment your scores and learn English by me, Vanessa, Best English Teacher.